Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Unbound Coder. Here we break the limit with code. So today we will solve Leetcode weekly contest 509 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। तो आप Leetcode का 3983 आप ये प्रॉब्लम देख सकते हो subsequence after one replacement. Okay, so what the question say? So you are given two string S and T consisting of lowercase English letter. Who may choose at most one index in S and replace the character at that index with any lowercase English letter. Means you only perform at most one operation to change any character. Return true if it's possible to make S a subsequence of T. Otherwise, return false. Subsequence means what? First of all, know what is subsequence. So subsequence basically who maintain the order. Okay, so like A, B, C. So A, B, C here A and C is my subsequence. A and B is my subsequence. B and C is my subsequence. That's it. This is called subsequence. Okay. So now, in this question, what the example? CAD and CHAT answer two. So how this answer two? So first of all, CAT CAT and here CHAT. Okay. So first character C, here also C. So okay. Again here A and here H. So I replace the A into H. Okay, with only one replacement. Okay, I only one replacement H, and again here T and again here T. So you see that here CHT is a subsequence and here also subsequence. So return true, no problem. Okay, another example, plain and apple. I simply take and write here. Okay, so but here not this also need to copy. Okay, we are not zoom it. So here C, here also P, here C, here also our P. Okay, and here L, here also L, no problem. Here A, so if we replace this A into E, then also possible P L E, which is a subsequence. But here another also two is also the what the remainder hai, but it's not possible because I need to complete the full S, then it also my answer. Another is it's not my answer. Okay, so now see how the approach. So here first of all I thought that here need to DP, but without DP you can easily solve it. Okay, so how solve you see here only if I use two pointer method like my array is one is C, one is A and one is T and another is CHAT. Okay, C, H, A and T. Okay, so in question in the constant always say that S and T constitute lowercase English letter and S always be in S never be greater than T is need to remember. Okay, then what is my approach? I start from here. Here C and here C, no problem. I increase. So I increase here A and here also H. So here need two pointer like if I take I and J, both are start from 0. And from I and J, I use one point which say that replacement need. So here if I take for J for replacement, so what I do, first of all I check for that what the problem here blinking problem. So first of all see that C and C, okay, I is increased, and again I check A and H dot match, but if I do that maximum of my I and my J plus 1. So this J plus 1 what do? Replacement, because I also go the another step. Okay. I go the another step. So replacement need here not do my just write the method. Okay. I only replace it. Okay, so where I do that I maximum my I value is maximum of I and j plus 1. So which give my maximum? This I go. So here also I see that my maximum is 2. J if I use for A is not possible. So I equal to 1 and J equal to 1. When 1? So I first of all write when 1. Okay, J equal to 1. So first of all write what my pseudocode is actually like. Then I see that dry run. Okay. So first of all write I and J start from 0. I and J start from 0. Then you write and always need to size write is size equal to m. I write the is equal to size is m. Now here traverse the t tower and its character check. If if s of I equal to my here I traverse by character c. Okay. So if s of I equal to my c, then I normally I increase. Okay. So I here I increase. Then I write I equal to maximum of my I comma j plus 1. Okay. उसके बाद I check my j value. So I write that s of j equal to my character. Then character of t. Then I also j plus plus. Okay. And or if anyone cross my s size like I equal to m or j equal to m, then I say return true. If it's not, then return false. Okay. So check the dry run how it's possible. Okay. So here C, so I is my 0 and J is my also 0. I 0 and J 0. Now here C and I obviously possible. So I increase I plus plus I equal to 1 and now see I equal to max of 1, I value 1 and j plus 1. So I write 1 comma 1. If I write because my j 0, so j plus 1 1. So my maximum is 1. So I can value 1, not any change. Then see j. S of j equal to my c character. Obviously s of j c and my character of t equal to c. Okay, j also increase, j also 1. No problem. Then again loop check that A1 is not possible. So I write that I equal to what? I equal to 1 comma 1 plus 1 which is 2. So now I value is my 2. Okay, and J also not possible. So again go the first step. Now check my S of I which is 2 in this character and here also check here also check here also check these three both are same. So I increase the I again I plus plus what which is 3. So these three came and this also I equal to my m size which is 3 and return true. Okay, it's possible. Okay, and if this is more greater then it's not possible. Okay, that's type of you also do. And so let's get see the code. So first write int a equal to my a star size. Okay, okay. Then mm, int I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. Now say while sorry I only traverse the j. So what I write for auto auto c of j associate with character j will towers. So what it do? It normally do that if s of I equal to my c, then obviously I increase the I value I plus plus and I write I equal to my maximum of I comma j plus 1 means here replacement occur here replacement. Okay, okay. Then j. So now also check if my s of j equal to my C, then also J plus plus. And here check if I equal to N and me, or J equal to N, I return true, return clear with true, else return false. It will be false. What's okay? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Here I write J. This is not J. This is T. Yeah. All test cases pass, and that's done. That's it. So hope guys you will understand video and what is time complete this big win. Okay. So that's it. So keep doing, keep coding, keep growing green.